Hello guys, you are watching EduForest Education for Students. Today we will solve question number 1 of exercise 13.1 from chapter 13 CBSE class 10 math. Here question is given, two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So this is the question we have to solve. Now guys, in every video I used to tell you that always analyze the last sentence, that is the last part of the question, and try to think that how can you get this result and what clues or what informations are needed to proceed further. Then if we take the clues from there, then it will be easier for you to proceed further and to get the answer. Okay, now here also if you look here, the last sentence or the last part of this question is find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. That means you have to find out the surface area of a cuboid. Then what is the formula for finding the surface area of a cuboid? How can you find out the surface area of cuboid? By applying the formula. What is the formula? 2 into LB plus LH plus BH. Okay, this is the formula you have to apply in order to get this surface area. Okay, now here L is length, B is breadth, H is height of the cuboid. Now question is, do you know the values of L, B and H? No. Then where you will get? You will get the informations from this upper part of the question. So what is that given in the upper part? What information is given? Two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube. Now the question arises, can you get this length, breadth, height from this volume of these two cubes? Obviously yes. How? Now look here. Now I am just explaining, then I will write. Now look here. This is the cube. Okay. Now its volume is given 64 centimeter cube. You know what is the formula of finding the volume of a cube? That is AQ. Okay. Now AQ is how much here? If side is A, then AQ will be its volume. Then AQ is 64. So that means A is how much? Cube root of 64, that is 4. Okay. So that means each side is 4. Okay. Since there are two cubes, that means this is one cube. If we join another cube with it, then how does it will look like? Now look here. So this will be the now look here. This will be the figure of the resulting cuboid. Now this is another cube of same volume, that is 64 centimeter cube. So its side will also be 4. So its side is 4 and its side is, because both have the same volume. Now the resulting cuboid, this is a, now this resulting structure becomes a cuboid. Now here what is the length here? Here length is 4 plus 4, that is 8. Now what is the breadth here? Breadth is 4, it remains same. Clear? Then height is also 4. There is no change because this is a cuboid. So each side, that is length, breadth, height, both are same and both are equal to A. So they have 4 and this is also breadth is 4, height is 4, but the length will be 4 plus 4 if you join in this way. I am just showing you some practical objects here. Look here. Here I have taken two cubes of each equal volume. So they have the same side here. The length of each side is same. That is length, breadth, height is same. So their each side is same. So this one and this one both are equal length. Now if you join here, so if it is A, this is also A. So that means it will be 2A. If it is 4, then this is also 4. This length is 4. This length is 4. So this will be 8. If you join these two cubes, so this will be 8. But what about the breadth? Breadth will also remain same as 4. Okay, then what will be height? Height is also, for there is no change. If you join in this way, there is no change in height and no change in breadth, only length will change. So length will be double, this is 4, this is 4, so it will be 8. Okay, so then we will apply this formula. After getting this length, breadth, height, we will apply this formula to get the answer. Now let us write the answer. How will we write? Let us see. You write here volume of each cube is 64 centimeter cube. Okay, now this implies a cube is equal to 64. This implies 64 centimeter cube right here. So a is how much? Cube root of 64. So that is 4 centimeter. Okay, if two cubes are joined end to end, then the resulting cuboid will have length L is equal to how much? 4 plus 4, that is 8 centimeter. Then breadth B, you can write here breadth B is equal to 4 centimeter. Height H is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, now we will apply the formulas of surface area for getting surface area. What is the formula? 2 into LB plus LH plus BH. Okay, we will write it. We will write here. I am just erasing this one. Now surface area of cuboid is equal to how much? 2 into LB plus LH plus BH. Now this will be how much? 2 into LB. L is how much? Length 8. So 8 into 4 plus 8 into 4 L into H, then plus B into H, that is 4 into 4. So this is 2 into 32 plus 32 plus 16. Okay, this is 32 for 16. Then this will be how much? 2 into, this is 64 plus 16, that is 80. So 2 into 80, that is equal to 160 centimeter square. Okay, now this is the area of the resulting cuboid. So in this way you can find out the answer. I hope you will like this video. If you really like this video, then please share it and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon, because if you press the bell icon you will get notification when our next video will be posted. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.